In certain cases, you want to not just ship something, but you want to send somebody a prepaid return label. This is where it gets tricky. So for instance, I'm going to share with you, this is my eBay page, and this here is just an item that I sold. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how you can go in there and use the computer. This is PC for PC-based machines, by the way, folks. How you can actually just go in there, open up your shipping label program, whether it be Pitney Bowes driven, PayPal, Amazon, even any of these, stamps.com, USPS's website. So for normal orders, I would just leave this as it is, change the weights, and hit purchase postage, print it, and that would be the end of it. In this case, I want to have the ship from would be the customer and the ship to would be me. So these two would be reversed. So if you want to know how to do that, just as a quick aside, you could hit change this from the customer to me, and on and on and on. I'll just save you the pain of watching it all, but you can just reverse it and put the ship to as your address and ship from whatever the customer's address is. Hit save, and then you change the weight and dimensions. So in this case, you just make it like, say, first class. There's my weight. Purchase your postage like normal. Now here's where the magic happens. So this is pretty typical of anybody who does online business and shipping. You're going to get the pop-up window where you're going to create your shipping label. So normally you would hit OK to your default printer, and that would be the end of it. Now the way I used to do things is I would have to open it up, and I would have a file which I would have to save like as a JPEG. I'd have to import it by screen capture, print screen or something like that. Then I'd have to put it into word processor program or Word, shrink it, crop it, and all this kind of stuff, resave it, and then save it as an image, and then I'd finally get this into a customer. So there's lots of layers of work that's involved in just doing such a simple task. So that's why this video is so awesome. So instead of just doing the default printer, just drop this menu down, and then you can actually hit this button right here, which is Microsoft Print to PDF. Hit OK. And it's going to ask you where you want to save it. So let's just say the customer's name was Mustafa, right? Return label. You could save it. I like to save everything to my desktop because that's just me. You can save it to your C drive or a card or wherever you want to put it. Doesn't really matter. So now I have a PDF label saved, and I'm going to show you another thing you could do with this. Some operating systems will not allow you to do the PDF like the older computer I have up front. Well, it will only allow you to do the Microsoft XPS document writer. So if you do that option and hit OK, we'll do the same thing. We'll call this the return label, the guy's name, and then XPS. Save that on my desktop. So now I have both types, PDF and XPS. And then if you minimize, you're going to see you got Mustafa here in XPS, and you have the Mustafa here in the PDF. Now, if somebody has a need for the label, you can just attach this, which will go across any platform. I'm going to show you. Look at that, beautiful, 8.5 by 11, full screen, receipt, everything. So for instance, if you were on your seller account on Amazon, for instance, in your messages, and you wanted to send that label, say, to this person here, watch what happens. Hit attach, and try to do the XPS return label. Failed to upload, not going to work. Now try the same one with the PDF that I created, which was Mustafa PDF. Try it again. There you go. It's all attached. You just send you a little message, say, here's your return label, Mr. Customer. Thanks for your business. Have a great day. Problem solved. And of course, you can also save those to a file on your desktop, so that way if a customer ever says, well, I didn't get my label, or whatever's going on, or he needs trouble and you need help in the future trying to track it or tracking it down, you have an electronic digital record. It's reprintable. You can print it. You can get your receipt, save it for your records. It's just a joy every way you look at it. So if you're looking for a new way to learn and try to do customer service, particularly with these return labels, which has been such a troublemaker for us anyway here. This is just magnificent, so I love it, and I had to get it out and share it with y'all because it's just, to me, it's just a godsend. So I'm so glad somebody taught me, so I'm just taking that and teaching it to the rest of you. So if it helps you, I hope it does. So give it a try. If it works, let me know either way. And if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give it a thumbs up anyway.